In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Roku TV. First of all, what you have to do is open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in roku.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Roku. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to buy the Roku TV, for that what you have to do is click on this option, shop products, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options like Roku TV, streaming players, smart home, audio, etc. Click on this option Roku TV that you can see at the first. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various Roku TVs over here. What you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for shop all TVs. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the Roku product finder. You'll be able to find the products over here. You can see over here, you'll be able to find various options for Roku TV. You can also apply the filters if you want. You can apply the filters of size, price, brands and picture quality. So if you want to do that, go ahead and apply the filters. After that, you'll be able to find the options according to the filter. What you have to do is find the Roku TV that you would like to purchase. You'll also be able to see the price over here. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options, find in store, find online. If you would like to visit the store, click on this option, find in store. But if you would like to purchase it online, click on this option, find online. Now you can see over here, it will find the online platforms that sells the Roku TV. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right now, Walmart is available. So what you have to do is click on this option, shop now, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. You can see over here, you'll be able to add it to the cart. You'll also be able to see more information about the Roku TV over here. If you're satisfied with it and if you want to buy it, click on this option, add to cart, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, Roku TV has been added to the cart. Make sure Roku TV is selected over here. So if you want to check out, what you have to do is click on this option, continue to check out, that you can see on the screen. Keep in mind the process might vary according to the platform that you've selected. In Walmart, you'll be led to the checkout interface. After you click on this option, continue to check out. Right now, I do not have the Walmart account, but I'll tell you what to do. In checkout interface, you'll have to provide your contact information. Along with that, you'll also have to provide the shipping address. After you do that, you'll also have to select the payment method for yourself. Simply select the payment method, complete the transaction. After the transaction has been completed, your order will be placed and you'll receive the order according to the shipping time. So like this, you'll be able to place the order. So you'll be able to buy the Roku TV like this. So that is how you buy Roku TV. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.